My name is Ali Merchant. I am the co-founder and CEO of IQ3Connect. Thanks to the Startup Exchange and Industry Liaison program at MIT for this opportunity to speak to you about our experiences and vision in transforming the future of work. COVID upended work processes as we knew them, but it has also accelerated the urgency for digital transformation as business-critical travel and face-to-face meetings have ground to a halt. Tools like web conferencing are filling the gap, but they are severely limited. Flat screen sharing cannot fundamentally replace physical interactions with the world around us. As we think about the future of work and education, how can enterprises restore in-person productivity and efficiency? And how can we do this in a sustainable way? At IQ3, we are building an exciting cloud software platform to create that essential experiential work and learning environment in immersive connected workspaces. IQ3 is easy for anyone to join and participate, and it has a light footprint, making it frictionless for companies to deploy. Our technology, based on R&D done at MIT, is lowering the adoption barriers and costs to deploy immersive collaboration at scale. Let's review some of the key examples used to overcome the work challenges we all continue to face today and in the foreseeable future. In this first example, we see cross-functional teams from different global locations working together in IQ3 as if they are in the same physical room. The image is deceptively simple, but this is an engineering accurate one-to-one scale digital twin of a production system with thousands of components. Each orange band shows the location of a participant. Anyone in this digital workspace can independently move around, mark up issues, access, and even pull apart the tiniest component in the model. They are no longer bound by physical prototypes, time, and geographic barriers in getting their work done. COVID has also impacted training and education in physical classrooms. IQ3 is being used as a digital classroom for delivering instructor-led product training, as you can see here. Subject matter experts, trainers, and students are able to curate training and learning experiences in IQ3 without any programming knowledge. In addition to group training, IQ3 workspaces are being embedded in corporate learning systems and MOOC learning platforms like edX for enterprise-wide distribution. With IQ3, these organizations are less dependent on face-to-face training, even once travel restrictions are removed. IQ3 workspaces are also seamlessly usable for live remote support. In this example, we see a technician at a remote site wearing a Microsoft HoloLens and is being assisted by an expert from his home office. Both are seamlessly connected in an IQ3 workspace. One of our customers, AVL, is a global leader in automotive testing. Listen to how Joe Strelo, president of AVL Test Systems, defines the future of work at AVL. From flat traditional meetings to what he calls live and continuous project collaboration.
In this case, it works just like inviting you to Zoom or to WebEx or to Skype. You have a calendar invite. There's no application to download. And so right from the calendar invite, you launch and it launches within a web browser and you're off and running. Essentially what this does is it creates VR really on demand. The product is able to bring in native CAD data or CAE data, and it can also bring in the scan data. When I showed you the scan of the actual test cell for factory acceptance, it's able to read that natively. The nice thing is by reading that data natively like this, you saw the user is actually interacting with actually one of the parts directly. The product also has a digital sign-off for design changes. The meeting can be hosted on a personal or a business machine. It can also be managed on a server behind your firewall. It can be managed by your IT department. They can support you with cloud-based options as well.
We're seeking partnership opportunities for pilots, vertical industry solutions, and R&D on hardware and or software. We would love to engage in research on innovation adoption and change management. Our preferred industries are manufacturing and construction, and we also welcome all opportunities to work with educational institutions. Visit our website to learn more about IQ3, our customers, and use cases. Before your team step on an airplane, think again, think IQ3. Thank you.